Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. We are truly excited to announce that the Autodesk Construction Cloud, the entire Autodesk Construction Cloud family, we have added as a part of the master study in BIM technology course. What is that actually? It is related to the build, in which the site management related things are there, design office versus site office, how they can communicate, collaborate certain systems, documents, how you can collaborate certain document systems, how you can collaborate certain drawings, how you can collaborate the models, how you can collaborate different views like front view, side view, section view, cross sections view. You can do many maneuvers towards the models which you have created in the design office, and you can communicate directly to the site. Along with that, there are so many other types of systems that are there into the Autodesk Construction Cloud. That entire system we have added inside the master study in project management with BIM technology course. So I'm super duper excited to announce this particular course, or this particular system will take it to the completely different system. How it will help you, how it is exactly going to help you, I'll tell you. That if there are certain projects which are like $1 billion, $5 billion, that kind of very big projects are there. There are so many stakeholders, like for example, architects, engineers, MEP engineers, site engineers, and stakeholders. Many people actually, they will be into the project systems, and communication between those people would be a very big task. This particular tool would be definitely help you to get inside this. Even if you are not a part of the course, you can just download certain things onto your laptop and start practicing. Make sure that the project management is the hitting point where you can start your career to get maximum benefit in terms of position, post, and power and money. All right, so thank you so much, and bye bye.